Today we are going to talk about the best landing page builders and how to choose the right one for your business. If you are running ads, collecting leads, or selling products online, landing pages are one of the most important parts of your system. A good landing page can increase your conversions, while a bad one can waste your traffic. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to find tools that actually make your work easier. If you want to try any of those mentioned in this video, I have shared a helpful links in the description so you can explore them easily. If that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description, because by using that link, any special offer or benefit will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. When choosing a landing page builder, you should focus on a few simple things. It should be easy to use, fast to launch pages, and most importantly, it should help you to convert visitors into leads or customers. First, let's talk about the unbounce. It comes with powerful features like A/B testing. One standard feature is the smart traffic, and also it has the AI optimization. The smart traffic feature is what that automatically send visitors to the version of the page that is more likely to convert. This makes it very strong for paid ads and marketing campaigns. Next, we have the ClickFunnels. This is not just a landing page builder, but a full funnel system. It allows you to create multi-step funnel with upsells, downsell, and complete sales journey. If your goal is selling products or building a full funnel instead of just one page, then this tool can be very useful. Now, let's talk about the lead pages. This tool is very popular among beginners and small businesses. It is simple to use and it offers ready-made templates that can help you to create pages quickly. It also includes features like pop-ups and lead capture tools, which can help increase the conversions without much effort. Another strong option is the Instapage. This tool is more advanced and is often used by marketing teams. It offers features like heat maps, collaboration tools, and add to page matching. This helps to improve your performance when you are running multiple ad campaign. But it is usually better for users who need more control and advanced features. And then we have Wix. Wix is more a website builder, but it also works well for landing pages. It is very beginner friendly with drag and drop editing, and it has too many templates. Wix is more of a website builder, but it also works well for landing pages. It is very beginner friendly with drag and drop feature, and it has many templates. If you want something that is simple, easy to launch, and no need any technical knowledge, then this can be a good option. Now, here is the important part. All of these tools are powerful, but they are made for different types of users. Some are focused on conversion optimize, some on full funnels, and some on simplicity. If you want high converting landing pages for ads, then tools like Unbounce and Instapage are a strong option. If your goal is building complete sales funnel, then ClickFunnels is the better option. And if you are just starting and you want something that is easy, then Leadpage or Wix is the better option. So at the end of the day, the best landing page builder is not the one with the most feature. It is one that matches your workflow and helps you to launch your pages quickly without any confusion. So that's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I hope this video helped you to understand better about the landing page builders. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.